Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Sony ZV-1 II, a powerhouse designed for vloggers and content creators. The 20.1 MP 1-inch XMR-RS BSI CMOS sensor and the wide-angle 18-50mm equivalent f1.8 to 4 lens provide stunning image quality and versatility. One of the standout features is the 3-side flip-out touchscreen LCD, making it a game-changer for solo shooters. The real-time tracking and IAF ensures sharp focus, while the bokeh switch and face priority AE enhance your creative control. The cinematic vlog setting and SNQ shoot mode open up new possibilities, and the product showcase setting is a neat addition. In terms of video capabilities, the ZV-1 II impresses with UHD 4K 30p video, supporting HLG and S-Log 3.2 gammas. The camera's compact form factor, at just 9 ounces, makes it ideal for one-handed shooting, and the front-facing video feature is perfect for group shots. Now, let's talk about the bundle. With a spare NPBX1 battery, a battery charger, and a 64GB SDXC memory card, you're ready for extended shooting sessions. The 12-inch Flex iPod adds flexibility to your setup, and the microfiber cleaning cloth keeps your lens pristine. The deluxe photo starter kit with 11 essential pieces is a nice bonus. In summary, the Sony ZV-1 II is a game-changer for content creators, offering a perfect blend of performance and convenience. The bundled accessories complement the camera well, making this kit a comprehensive solution for your creative journey. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.